4 secret ways to make anyone chase you. 1. How to get a man to chase you. Be a woman of substance. If you have studied male psychology, you should know that how to get a guy to chase you is all about playing with how men love physical beauty and still value a strong, competent, and independent woman. If you want the best of men to fall for you, then you have to become the best version of yourself. 2. Never judge a man by his looks, also by his gifts. He might be the modern Mr. Darcy and might shower gifts like Christian Grey, but don't fall for it. Look beyond his charm and wealth. Note his efforts. Is he trying to squeeze in some time from his crazy work schedule? Does he remember that little piece of personal info that you shared? If yes, then you are one lucky lady. 3. Try keeping your emotions in check. At some point in the chase, you might be tempted to give in easily. What can you do? With every passing day, you're getting older. This is where you need to control your emotions. 4. Make him chase you, not use you. Women, for all of their wit, can be pretty delusional at times. They think that all men want is sex all the time, and if they give him what he wants, he'll go mad for them. Wrong. But if you do that, in all likelihood, you'd be left scratching your brains over how to make a man chase you after you slept with him.